Cities across Oklahoma were hit by a series of severe storms on April 19, 2023. Tennis ball-sized hail and 70 miles per hour winds damaged thousands of homes. Yukon, Edmond, Midwest City, Newcastle, Blanchard and Noble are just a few cities impacted by hail over 2 inches in diameter. This map shows the storm path across the Oklahoma City metro area. If your home is under a shaded region, you need a roof inspection ASAP. This will prevent additional damage and costly repairs. Our team is ready to bring you guidance and protection after a hail storm. We're your allies when disaster strikes.